Hey everybody, welcome back to another review video. Today I'll be bringing you an exhaust fan for a bathroom that also comes with lights. So if you want to spice up your bathroom, this might be the right thing for you. So the product is quiet and powerful. It has 110 CFM power, and the noise level for the product is 2.5 sones, which is very quiet. It has lights and a fan, as mentioned. It's easy to install. The size is, on the outside plastic, it would be a 10 by 10 inch, and then the actual inner piece is 7 3/4 by 7 1/4. It's high quality materials, and it should be really easy to install. So let me show you where we're going to put it. Let's get it installed and let's check it out. All right, guys, so this is where I'm going to be installing the ventilation fan with lights. It's going to go right up there. So right now, this actually doesn't work at all. It's broken. So let's put this new product in real quick and let's check it out.